Okay, another very important word is Kafir. Kafir. According to the Arabic linguistic rules, Kafir is the person who covers something. So, in some ayahs in Qur'an, the farmers are called Kafir, but this is not the meaning we need here today, because they put the seed in the soil and they cover it with soil and then they wait until it rises. That's called Kafir. But this is according to the language. According to the Islamic terminology, Kafir, who does not believe in Islam or Iman. But let's say Islam, because Islam is a lower degree of Iman. Iman is at the top of Islam. And above Iman, there is something called Ihsan. But let's not discuss these things. You are required to know the meaning of Islam. Okay, if a person doesn't believe in Islam, doesn't want to become Muslim, this person is called Kafir, disbeliever. And anyone who doesn't believe in Islam, his end will go to the fire. And that takes us to another word, Annaar. Or it has different meaning like Jahannam, like Sayyea'at. But the most important one, Annaar. Annaar in Arabic, literally translated to English, means fire. But the more accurate meaning is the hell, which you're going to face in the hereafter, after we die. So, to determine whether you go to Jannah, paradise, or Nar. And this is the opposite word of Nar. Jannah. Jannah, which means the paradise. The paradise is what all Muslims are seeking from all this worshipping and from all this life. We all seek to go to Jannah because it has all the desires we need. Everything you want is in Jannah, and everything you fear is in Nar. Jannah and Nar were mentioned in the Holy Quran many times, because Allah all the time is threatening and telling Muslim peoples to take care not to do things to make them near Nar and far from Jannah, and also is encouraging them to do the every good things to make them go in Jannah and avoid getting into Jahannam or Nar. The other word we're having today, which is related to this, is Sharr. Sharr means evil or bad. Everything bad you do is called Sharr, which has another meaning, but it needs you to understand Arabic, that some Muslims are calling Sharr, or the result of Sharr, with the word Sayyea'at. Means Sayye'at, singular, Sayye'at, jama'. And you will find this word mentioned a lot in Quran. So whatever you do, we have two angels. They write whatever you do in order to see it in the hereafter, after you die in the resurrection day. What's written in the bad page of your actions is called Sayye'at. And on the opposite of Sayye'at, we have the word Hassanat, plural, and the singular Hasana. Hassanat, Hasana. And this is written in the right page of your daily reported book, which Allah will show you in the day of the resurrection. So whatever you do something good, it's called Hasana. And it's mentioned a lot in Quran. So everyone is trying to make as much Hasanat as he can, and to avoid writing for himself as much Sayyi'at as he can. Okay, Hasanat and Sayyi'at, as we said, are coming from the bad thing which called Sharr, and the good thing in Arabic which called Khayr. Khayr in Arabic means good. Sometimes means charity. It's a very wide word. So many people use this word even in the greetings every day. Some people they saying Sabahul Khayr or Masa'ul Khayr, means good morning or good evening. That's called good. So everything good you do is translated into Hasanat, and everything Sharr you do is translated into Sayyi'at. Or in another way, Good things resulted in Hassanat and bad things resulted in Sayye'at. And both of them are written in your book. Thank you. I hope I could be of a benefit and assistance for you. And I hope the words I gave you today were useful and you could clarify some unknown ideas about Islam. If you found this video useful, don't hesitate to share and to like and to subscribe and to tell other people about Islam. It could be your way to Jannah. Until we meet in another time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.